Shanghai seeks an open dialogue with different stakeholders, welcoming diverse perspectives and facilitating collaboration. As a long-serving EPLAC member and an old friend of Shanghai, I have witnessed this city flourish into a global innovation hub. From my perspective, there are two fundamental elements that have greatly contributed to this success. First, Shanghai's unwavering commitment to innovation. Innovation that eventually will blossom into prosperity. The city has built a well-integrated innovation ecosystem encompassing talent, funding, services, data, and infrastructure. An ecosystem that attracts academic institutions, startups, local and global companies. The second reason for Shanghai's success is the close interaction between business and government. This is particularly important for highly regulated industries like life sciences.